Hey, how's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be looking at the Electrify America app and showing you how to use it and also how to charge your car. So we're going to be taking a look at the Ioniq 6 today and show you how to get everything done. Alright, so this is the Electrify America app. You'll see all the lightning bolts here. They're going to be your charge stations, and it'll also notify you when a station is being used. So right here, this one is full. If you zoom out here, you see you got plenty of options. Also, these ones great are going to be in service. You could also check and see which ones are available. So this one right here, you have 1 out of 4. And then also you have access to the different chargers there. So when you actually get to the station, you know that you're going to be using number 1 here, station number 1. And you'd go ahead and plug it in and then press that you're using it. And you go ahead to start a charge, you would just swipe right here. And then as far as that goes, you can see different stations down here as well. Shows you in the nearby area. And also, if you ever want to get back to where you're at, you can just press right here, and then it'll show you different stations in the immediate area. So then right here we have home. So this is going to be for home charging if you had your own station set up at the house. And then also from your account, you can see your different payment plans, and then also premium offers, which your dealer should have set you up with one of these here. So you see this one is set up with the Ioniq 5 charging plan, so you'll get 30 minutes per day. And right here, access all your different information and your vehicles. All right, guys, let's get in the car and get charging. All right, guys, the first step is going to be plugging in your car. All right, so we are going to be using a level 3 charger, so we're going to pull out the bottom portion of the plug, and then we're going to plug it in. All right, so to start charging, we're going to go to our charge station, and then we're going to locate our charger here. So we are using charger number 6. And then we'd go ahead and swipe to start charging. And you'll see on the screen it's started to charge. All right, so you'll see here that this car has about a full charge. You have your current charge speed in kilowatts, and then your amount charge time. Also the energy delivered up here, and then also the charging cost. You also get a notification on your phone about the percentage, and a notification right when you're at 80%. All right, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them down in the comments, and we'll get back to you.